Be honest, you want to make money, but you don't want to work 10 hours a day. So what's the laziest way to make money? Here's the secret. Lazy people don't work harder, they work smarter. Most people still trade time for money. Work 8 hours, get paid. Stop working, and the money stops. That's the hard way. But the lazy way? It's different. You set up a system once, and then let it pay you over and over again. Imagine this, a YouTube video you made last year, still earning money today. An ebook you uploaded once selling every single night while you sleep. Or even a product you didn't create, but you earn a commission every time someone buys it. That's the power of lazy systems. You work once, and you keep earning. Here's the formula. First, find something valuable that people already want. Second, use tools like AI to create content around it. Third, put it online where people can see it. That's it. No office, no need to show your face, and no grinding every single day. Lazy doesn't mean doing nothing. It means setting up the right thing once so you don't have to repeat the same boring work forever. Think of it like planting a money tree. You water in the beginning, and then later, you just sit back and pick the fruits. So if you really want the laziest way to make money, stop trading your time for dollars and start building systems. Because lazy people aren't actually lazy. They're smart enough to let money work for them. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I've got even more smart ways to help you earn while doing less.